Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you're watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video, I will teach you how you create a custom footer with the help of Elementor without using any theme, without using any template. So in the previous video, I covered how you create a custom header with the help of Elementor. If you have not seen that video yet, you can watch the video by clicking on the I button. So without wasting further ado, let's get started. Open your WordPress dashboard, just click on template and now click on add new template. Now here you can see choose your template type, select, and now you can see footer, just select it and now add a name of your footer. Just click on create template. So close this tab. So in the previous video we create this header, now we create a footer. So here you can see we create this header, right? First of all we need columns here. Here you can see 1 2 3 4, right? This is a 4 columns. I need 4 columns here. Just click on plus icon and now you can see text box container, just click on it and I need 4, just click on 4 container, right? Here you can see 4 container here, just click on container and now here you can see width. I just select a width 1400. Now we need to add a logo here. You can add a site logo here. I use a image here, just drag and drop here. Now click on full width and now choose a logo here. I upload a logo in the white color, right? Just select a file and select your logo here. So you can see the logo is not showing right because the background is also white. We need to change the background on this color. So I just use a just color picker and now just Ctrl X and copy the value and now just click on column, right, and go to the style and now here you can see background type, just click on it, classic, and now add a color here, just paste it here. So now you can see the logo is now visible. Just click on logo and now resize this logo. I just use 60 and now alignment left, right. Just click on container again. Now go to the layout. Just click on container again and now click on layout, right. And now you can see center. You just need to click on center and now you can click on alignment item, just center, right. So now we need to add a description here. So just I copy this description here, copy, and now I just add a text here. Now you can see text editor, just drag and drop here. Now click on text and add your text here. Now go to the style and now click on color. I select white and Roboto, just I use a size of this text. Now it's cool. Go back to the website. Now you can see the social media here. So go back and now select add element and now search social. Now you can see social icon here. Now align left and go to the style. Official color, I just use custom. Selected white, right. I just select a color of blue. Just copy the color code and now add a code here. So use color here blue and primary color is white, right. And now I use the size of these icons and now click on border radius. Here you can see just add a 20 border radius here. So now this looks cool. Just click on publish, add a condition, entire set, save and close, right. Just click on edit container, right. Go to the advanced and now you click on padding and link value together. Just off this link and now just I add a top link 30 and the bottom 30, right. just click on publish. And now we need to add a quick links here. Just copy this heading and add a heading here. Just click on add element and now click on drag and drop heading here. Now add a heading here and just go to the style, add a color here. Now use a font family. I just use a pop-in. Use a size. Right, this is cool now. And now you can see website developer, and this is the menu. Just go back to the website, and now here you can see WordPress menu. Drag and drop here. Now here you can see layout. I just use a vertical. Right, and now go to the style, click on this and now select a size of this menu, and now I select a color here. Horizontal pattern I just use white. Right, and here you can see hover color is green. Now I change the hover color. I don't need a hover color right now, so I just use the white. Right, here you can see the dash pointer here. I just remove this pointer here. You go back to the pointer and you can see the pointer underline, so I just use none. What? Just click on publish, and now go back to the website, and now we need to add a contact us. Just copy this heading and duplicate this and just click on it and drag and drop here and change the heading text here. And now add a icon list. You can see the location, number, email, and opening, closing and opening days. Right, just go back and click on the add element and now search icon list. Here you can see icon list. Drag and drop here. Now add a all icon. I just use click on phone, and now phone, select on phone, and now add a phone number here. I just add my company number. Right, and link hashtag. I just use hashtag because I don't need a link here. Right, and second one I just add a email here, so I just select email, just add an envelope. Now you can see envelope here. Just click on it, insert it, and now you can use an envelope email here. Now you can use the email here. Just I use my email info create websites developer .online. So I just don't need to use link, so I just add a hashtag here. Now I just use a office address. Click on icon bar. Use click on add a, just search map, and now you can see the map icon. Just insert it, and now you can add a location here. I just use a Pakistan. Right, and now here you can see, now we can need to add a styling here. Go to the icon and add a color of the icon. I just use a white, and size, just increase the icon size 20 here. And now go to the text and just add a size of the text. 18 is cool, and now select a color here. Now adjust the space between. This is cool now. Right, you can also use a closing and opening time here. Just copy this, right, and just add an item here, and now click on this and opening. I just used calendar here. Just add it, insert, and now add a text here. Now you can see it's the ad, and just click on publish. Right, now go back to the website, and here you can see newsletter here. Just copy the adding here, copy and duplicate this heading, drag and drop here, and now add a text here, newsletter, and now copy the text, add a text here, text editor, go to the text and paste it here. Now go to the style, add a color and add a size here, right? And now you can add a newsletter email here. Now you can go back to the widgets and now add search form. Here you can see the form, just drag and drop here. Now remove this name, remove message, right? And remove this label. I don't need label, so I just remove it, right? Here you can see. So we need to adjust this style here. Now here you can see label. I don't use, just click on field, and now background color, I just use the background color of this website. I just copy the code here and now paste it here, right? And now I just select a text color, white, right? And add a size of the text, right? And now you can see the add a border width, you can see, and I just add a color of the border. You can also add a, I just add 2, right? And now go to the button, background button, background white, and the text color is blue, add blue, right? You can also use a white color, and you can also use this blue color here. I just add this blue color, just copy the color code, and now just go to the background here, right? And just text color, I just add a text color white, and now background color is blue. Here you can see background color is blue, right? So now you can see our newsletter is complete. Now just click on publish. Now you can see a copyright area. You can add also the copyright area. Just go back and now add a one column, one container, right? And now just adjust the size. I just use a 1400, and now add a text here, and copy the copyright area and paste it here. Go to the text and paste it. Now alignment, just align the center, and now white, add white color, and now click on edit container, go back to the style, and now select a color of the background. Just use blue background, this one. Add a values here, night. So increase the size of this heading. I just use 18, and now go to the advanced option. Just click on edit container, go to the border, click on border, and now click on solid border type. Just add a top border 2 and add a color of the border white. Publish, preview, and now you can see our footer is complete on the desktop. Now we need to responsive this head footer, right? And just go to the tab bar, and now first you need to increase the size of your logo, 70, right? And click on this text, decrease the size of this text. I just use 14. Decrease the size of this icon, I just use 16, and click on menu, and now you can see full width. Click on full width, and now click on none, right? And decrease the size of this menu, 16, right? Decrease the size of this heading, 20. Copy this style and paste all the heading here, paste style, right? And just decrease this column width, just use 150, right? Just increase this, and now you can see, click on this column, and now add a size of this column, just add, click on it, and go to the style and click on text, just decrease the size of this text, right? And now add the size of this and just add it here 180, right? Now this school just need to decrease the size of this icon list. I just use 12 here. This is cool. Now you can just decrease the size of this copyright area, just use 16, right? Click on publish. Now click on mobile option. Here you can see our logo is too much big. I just use a size here 55 and the rest is good. I just decrease this copyright size. Yeah, this is cool. Now you can just adjust this and click on publish. So this is the video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get a new video notification. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.